Okay, we got these bathing wipes. I've used them one time so far the other day, and we got them from Mars Wellness. They sent these to us so we could show them to you. And they come in this package, and they're just a dry cloth here. And what you do is you get them wet with a couple ounces of water, and then they lather up, and they're rinse-free, and there's no residue. You don't have to rinse them off after you use them, but they're great for camping, or like if you are unable to get to the shower or the bathroom or whatever, you can just use them like for someone who's infirm or bedridden, and they're just kind of, they lather up with a soapy, you can just see it's just a soft cloth here, and they're disposable. And I'll just show you here. I'll just get it wet with a couple ounces of water, and I'll just show you, it kind of lathers up here, and then it does a nice job of cleaning up, and you can see kind of the soap there in the water, in the sink there, and then you can see here it just kind of wants to, let's see if I can show you here. I'll just show you on my leg here and stuff. See if you can see it soap up here. And then you don't have to rinse it off. It'll just clean you up there and stuff. And so like for camping or someone who's bedridden or whatever, that you can't get out and about, or maybe you just don't have time to take a shower, you need to get cleaned up real quick before you have to go from your job to a event or a interview or something like that. It just would be, it's a really nice little quick way to get cleaned up there. So yeah, really handy, nice, easy to take with you. You could actually just fold one up, put it in a little bag, and take it with you. Keep it in your desk drawer or something like that too. So yeah, nice. Thanks for sending those.